Here I have Renault Captur and let me show you how to enable the auto door lock while driving on this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of the Renault Infotainment system. Then find and select the car icon. It's located at the upper right corner. From the following view, all you need to do is select here the vehicle section. Now let's choose the access. It's of course in outside tab. If you tap the access, you can enable or disable the auto door lock while driving. Right now I've got this feature enabled, so right now the door will automatically lock while you are driving. I think in my case it's quite useful, especially when you are driving with the kids, so I prefer to have this feature enabled. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.